Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your Android phone's display for extra security. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings, scroll down and go to security. Here you can see three options: screen lock, fingerprints and face. You can choose one of them. I'm choosing here screen lock. Here you can see some options: swipe, pattern and pin. You can choose one of them. I'm choosing here pattern. Press OK. That's it. So this is how to lock your Android phone's display for extra security. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.